Hello, my name is Brian Retzlaff. I am with Legrand AV, the Vaddio division. And what I'd like to do today is just show you how an end user might utilize an AV Bridge product with their computer and soft client like BlueJeans. So I'm going to switch the camera view here so you can see. Here's my computer, and I've got the AV Bridge plugged into the other end of this USB cable. It's back in the room somewhere. And basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug that in to my laptop. It's going to take just a moment for those drivers to install, and I just give it a couple moments, and those drivers automatically install. They are native to the operating system. This is a Windows machine, and so those drivers are native, so they should just install with no problems. If it was a Mac, no worries. If it's Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, no worries there. Every once in a while, older machines, Windows 7, need a driver update, but that's usually pretty rare. So now I'm going to start up BlueJeans, and I have my BlueJeans app running right here. So let me just switch over so that you can see that a little bit better. Start up BlueJeans, and there you go. And I am going to join as a guest. So let's see here. There we go. Now you can kind of see me and this as we go. And join as a guest. And as you can see, it has already found my AV Bridge Mini. But if it hadn't found the AV Bridge Mini, what I'd have to do is I'd have to click down here and choose AV Bridge or AV Bridge Conference or AV Bridge Mini instead of the camera that's built into the computer. I'd also want to, under microphone, choose AV Bridge. And for the speaker, I would want to choose AV Bridge. Notice there's a couple different options here, but just make sure you choose the one that says AV Bridge, and you will be good to go. Let's change that camera view a little bit so you can see it a little bit better. And we'll turn off that picture-in-picture. There we go. So now, what you can see here is the camera itself. The AV Bridge is bringing that camera video in and utilizing it for BlueJeans. And that's really the user experience. At this point, you go ahead, you sign in, you enter your meeting ID, and you are ready to communicate with your other party. So again, my name is Brian Retzlaff. If you have any questions, please be sure to reach out to Vaddio Tech Support at www.vaddio.com. That's VADDIO.com. And click on the support tab and call that 1-800 number there, and they'll be sure to help you through any questions that you may have. Thanks, and we will talk to you again soon.